we've got to talk. In approximately 10 hours, it's going to be a new year. It's going to be 2024. And as a result, there's going to be some changes on my channel that I want to share with you guys. But I need to get indoors. It's too cold out here. When I first started this channel, I thought that I would be making content about a wide variety of drones from a wide variety of manufacturers, at least on the consumer side. And it so happens that in 2023, it just doesn't seem that way. When you look at companies like Autel, who are the real only competition to DJI, which, let's face it, is probably the consumer drone conglomerate in 2023 and years before that, Autel just couldn't compete. They come in the market and then they come out, and it looks like they have just vanished for good. Whatever products they have, they've pretty much settled on it. And as a result, there just is no competition for DJI. And that's not a bad thing, because DJI makes really good drones. As a matter of fact, their drones are so good that you pretty much buy any DJI drone in 2023, and I'm sure in 2024, you can't go wrong. You pretty much just have to know your budget. And once you know your budget, you buy the most DJI drone for that budget. It will be a pleasant experience. They are, for the most part, very simple to fly, and they are all feature packed. So let's talk about what changes are coming to my channel. Well, first, if you haven't noticed, I have already changed the name of the channel from droneXfactor to Xavier Arthur. Let's talk about why I'm changing the name of the channel from droneXfactor to Xavier Arthur. Well, number one, my name is Xavier Arthur. It isn't droneXfactor. As a matter of fact, I chose that name primarily because I wanted to focus on drones and drone content, which I did since I started the channel. However, going into 2024, I want to broaden my horizons. Yes, I want to cover more things other than just drones, or I should say in addition to drones. So you will still have the wonderful drone content, drone tutorials, drone videos, all that good stuff, but I just want to add more. I'm into cameras. I'm into phones. I'm into technology as a whole. So why not share that entire experience with you guys? And because I'm not doing just drones only, I felt like my name should not be droneXfactor. See what I'm saying? And then I couldn't come up with another name. So I figured, you know what? Just use my name. So 2024. Yes, I'm still making drone videos, drone tutorials, drone products, and testing drones as well. My next video is going to be on these anamorphic lens and this wide angle lens that's made by Freewell for the Mini 4 Pro. So that's the next video that I'm working on, and I might as well fly as I'm here and share some footage with you guys. So rest assured, the drone videos are not going anywhere. So don't think for any reason it's bye-bye drones. It's just that you have to expand your horizons. You have to expand on the things you do. You just can't be focused only on the drones. Here in New York City too, it's getting very expensive to fly drones, and they're trying to limit the places where you can fly. So as long as I'm in the city here and I'm doing other things outside of flying, I might as well share it with you guys too. So here we are. I'm excited for 2024 to share the drone content and more with you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. With that being said, make sure you become a Patreon. It's only $1 a month. That's $12 a year, and you get direct access to me. Shoot me a message on Patreon. It's just like shooting me a text message. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up for this video. Hit the bell so you get notified when I release new videos. With that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful, prosperous, healthy 2024 to you and to your family. I will catch you, well, whenever I can.